Dear students, welcome to the 24th lecture of 8051 timer slash counter. So this is one more example with respect to 8051 embedded C program. So let me read the question. Write an 8051 C program to toggle only pin P1.5 continuously every 250 milliseconds. Use timer 0 mode 2, that is 8-bit auto reload, to create the delay, and assume crystal frequency is equal to 11.059 megahertz. So let me start with the program. So please keep in mind we need to maintain 250 milliseconds of delay in order to toggle the pin P1.5. We need to use timer 0 mode 2. Okay, that is auto reload. Crystal frequency is 11.059 megahertz. Right. So first we need to take the calculation here. We need to maintain 250 milliseconds of delay divided by 1.085 microseconds that we done in the last example, that is equal to 230. So take this number and subtract that with the 256, because we are using mode 2 here, that is auto reload, 8-bit auto reload timer mode. So 8-bit in sense 255 plus 1, that is 256, minus 230, you will get 26 in decimal. So if you are representing the decimal number with respect to mode 2, then we have to represent that with minus 26. So minus 26 resembles the value 26 only, not the number. Okay. And if you want to represent that number with the hexa value, then directly you can write 1AH hex value. Okay, let me start with the program. So hash include reg51.h as usual. Take the subroutine, that is T0 M2. That means we are using timer 0 M2. You can write any name here. In order to simplify more with respect to the question, I have written T0 M2. This delay, that is the initialization of subroutine. Okay, and take that S bit, my bit is equal to P1.5, where we are toggling the bit of 5 with respect to the port 1. Next, void main void. So while 1, so we need to perform this particular statements, or we need to execute these two statements repeatedly. So my bit, negation of my bit, that means toggling of that particular bit, call the delay. So in delay we need to insert the delay by writing this tmod is equal to void T0 M2 delay void. So tmod value is nothing but the giving the information about T0, that is timer 0 that we are using in mode 2. Okay, this information is to be kept inside a tmod value, that is 0x02. You can put the values, you will get 02. Then as I told, I will get here 26. We need to represent that with a minus 26 because it is a auto reload. If you want to represent the value in hexa, directly you can write 1AH, that is written as 0x1A, like this. So this can be assigned to TH0 also. So instead of that, we are writing the decimal, that is minus 26, and turn on the timer, that is the timer 0, and check for TF value. If it is equal to 1, then stop the, make the timer flag is equal to 0. Okay, and after the execution of TF0 is equal to 0, it will come to this particular brace, and this will be executed n number of times. Okay, infinitely it will be executed. So this is one more example with respect to embedded C of 8051 timer slash counter. Thank you.